SHOT Show finds. 10 new pistols you missed in 2025. Everyone saw the big-name pistol releases at SHOT Show, but what about the hidden gems you walked right past? Today, we're uncovering 10 brand new pistols you probably missed. 10. Ruger Security 380 LightRack Gen 2. The Ruger Security 380 LightRack Gen 2 is a compact, striker-fired pocket pistol designed for everyday carry and personal defense. Built with a lightweight aluminum divided by chassis and a glass-filled nylon grip frame, the LightRack Gen 2 balances portability with a solid, confidence-inspiring feel. It chambers 380 ACP for manageable recoil, making it approachable for new shooters and comfortable for extended practice. Barrel length is 3.42 inches, 86 millimeters, giving a good balance of sight radius and concealability. Ergonomics are a highlight. The grip profile and subtle beaver tail help control muzzle flip, while textured surfaces ensure a secure hold. The pistol's empty weight is about 19.7 ounces, 558 grams, which keeps felt recoil low and carry weight reasonable. The Security 380 ships with magazine options for different jurisdictions and preferences, flush 10+1 magazines, and, where allowed, extended 15+1 magazines that improve purchase and control. Ruger's suggested retail price was set around $369 MSRP at introduction, though street prices frequently run lower depending on retailer and promotions. Many listings in the $280, $320 range. With LightRack slide features, fiber optic front sight, and practical magazine choices, the Security 380 LightRack Gen 2 is a solid, user-friendly option for concealed carry or as a backup divided by home defense pistol. 9. Walther PDP F Series, 2025. The Walther PDP F Series is Walther's modern, ergonomically refined 9mm striker-fired pistol family designed for duty, competition, and everyday carry, available in tres cableles penquiera and quatorze cableles nulles slide barrel lengths. The F Series keeps the PDP's praised PDT trigger feel, PDT F Series, and adds an optics-ready slide, enhanced grip texturing, and interchangeable back straps for a shorter trigger reach and improved control. Typical specs: barrel length 3.5 or 4, overall weight around 20.3, 21 ounces unloaded, about 23-24 ounces with an empty magazine, depending on model divided by slide length. Magazine capacity is 15+1 for the standard F Series and 18+1 for the Pro divided by competition variants. Walther bundles multiple magazines with many kits. Walther listed MSRP for the F Series models around $699 standard, with Pro divided by kit versions commonly priced higher. MSRP near $899, $929 for Pro bundles, while street prices vary by retailer and included accessories. In short, the PDP F Series delivers a short, consistent trigger, optics, ready versatility, and high magazine capacity in a well-balanced 9mm platform suited for duty, competition, or EDC. 8. Beretta APX A2 Carry Elite. The Beretta APX Carry, often seen as APX A1 divided by A2 Carry in some markets, is Beretta's ultra-compact 9mm, designed for deep concealment without sacrificing shootability. It uses a slim, single-stack grip to keep width under 1 while offering a choice of flush 6+1 magazines or 8+1 extended magazines for extra grip and capacity. The APX Carry features a short 3.07 nitride-finished barrel that balances sight radius and overall concealability. Unloaded weight is roughly 19.820 ounces, which keeps carry comfortable while giving the gun enough mass to tame felt recoil for follow-up shots. The slide is optics-ready on A1 divided by A2 variants, and the pistol sports Beretta's ergonomic grip modules and a consistent, serviceable trigger suitable for defensive use. MSRP for APX Carry models landed around $399, $450 at introduction. Street prices vary by retailer and included magazines or optic kits. Note: the exact A2 Carry Elite label isn't widely listed in Beretta's current product pages. Most dealer and manufacturer references use APX Carry, APX A1 Carry, or APX A1 divided by A2, Naming so specifications above reflect the APX Carry family as documented. 7. CZ Shadow 2. Compact Ore. Optics ready. The CZ Shadow 2 Compact Ore is a newer, scaled-down version of the full-size CZ Shadow 2, designed to bring many of the competition-grade features into a more compact, manageable format, while retaining the performance shooters expect. It's chambered in 9x19mm, 9mm Luger, and features a 4-inch cold hammer forged barrel that balances muzzle velocity with portability. The frame is forged 7075 aluminum, cutting weight compared to the full steel Shadow 2, yet maintaining durability and rigidity. Key dimensions. Overall length is about 7.5 inches, 191 millimeters. Height around 5.4 inches, width near 1.4 inches. Unloaded weight comes in at roughly 30 ounces. Magazine capacity is 15 plus 1 rounds standard. For sights, it includes a fiber optic front sight and a checkered divided by adjustable rear, and because it is optics ready, the slide is pre-cut modular interface to mount a red dot optic using the same plates as the full-size or Shadow 2. Trigger and action. Double action divided by single action, DA divided by SA, style, with a single action pull around 3.4 pounds and double action pull about 10.3 pounds. There is an ambidextrous manual safety lever and a reversible magazine release for left or right-handed shooters. Price. Street divided by retail around US $1,300 to $1,500 depending on vendor, country, and any optics or accessories included. In sum, the Shadow 2 Compact OR offers high-end match divided by pistol sport features, excellent trigger, optics readiness, precision sights in a frame that's noticeably lighter and more compact than the full-size Shadow 2, making it appealing both for competition and for those wanting a premium pistol that is somewhat more carry-friendly. 6. Springfield Armory Echelon Compact. The Springfield Armory Echelon 4, 0C Echelon Compact is a compact, duty-grade 9mm striker-fired pistol that shrinks the full-size Echelon into a 4-barrel package for easier carry without sacrificing performance. It uses Springfield's billet machine slide and a durable chassis divided by grip module to deliver a solid, predictable shooting platform with excellent ergonomics. Key specs: a 4-inch hammer, forged barrel, overall length about 7.25 inches, and an unloaded weight of roughly 24 ounces with the flush magazine. The compact height is roughly 5.13 inches with the flush mag. Capacity and mags. The 4. 0C ships with a 15+1 flush fit magazine and an 18+1 extended magazine. 10. Round options are offered where restricted. It accepts magazines from the full-size Echelon family for versatility. Features include a multi-footprint optics-ready slide, VIS, front divided by rear serrations, U-dot divided by tactical rack sight options, tritium available, and a melanite finish for corrosion resistance. MSRP and street prices vary by configuration. Springfield lists MSRP around $765 for compact, divided by competition variants, with retailer pricing commonly fluctuating. In short, the Echelon Compact blends duty reliability, optics readiness, and high capacity into a compact 4 package ideal for CCW, duty, or range use. 5. FN 509 Tactical 2025 Edition. The FN 509 Tactical 2025 is FN America's full-size, optics, and suppressor-ready 9mm designed for duty, range, and serious defensive use. It pairs a 4.5-threaded, hammer-forged barrel with a rugged polymer frame and FN's low-profile optics mounting system, so most miniature red dot sights co-witness with the suppressor height night sights. Unloaded weight is roughly 27.9 ounces, giving a stable shooting platform that helps tame recoil and improves follow-up accuracy. Standard magazine capacity is 17+1, with FN offering extended 24+1 magazines for training or duty where higher capacity is desired. 10. Round options are available for restricted jurisdictions. The slide features front divided by rear serrations and a melanite-style finish for corrosion resistance, while controls are ambidextrous, slide stop, and reversible mag release for versatility. Factory trigger breaks in the mid-single-digit pounds, and the sight radius and suppressor height sights are optimized for suppressed and unsuppressed use. Typical MSRP for the tactical models sits in the $1,049, $1,104 range, though street prices vary by retailer and configuration. In short, the FN 509 Tactical 2025 is a purpose-built, high-capacity optics divided by suppressor, ready 9mm for duty, home defense, and serious range work. 4. SIG Sauer P320 AXG Legion Carry. The SIG Sauer P320 AXG Legion Carry is a high-performance, optics-ready 9mm built around SIG's all-metal AXG Alloy X grip chassis, finished in legend gray with exclusive Hogue G10 grip panels and an extended, flared magwell for fast reloads. It wears a 3.9-inch barrel and a ported, divided by contoured slide that shortens the sight radius while improving muzzle control for follow-up shots. Unloaded weight sits in the mid-30-ounce range, roughly 36.1 ounces unloaded, to 2.4 ounces loaded with magazines, which gives the pistol a planted feel and helps mitigate felt recoil. The carry model ships with 3 steel magazines and a high-capacity 21+1 magazine set as standard, with 10 round options available for restricted jurisdictions. Factory features include SIG's X Series flat trigger, X-ray 3-day divided by night sights, an optics-ready slide footprint, reversible mag release, and an integrated expansion divided by compensator chamber to reduce muzzle rise. Street divided by MSRP pricing for the AXG Legion. Carry typically ranges from $1,299 to $1,530 depending on kit and retailer. In short, the P320 AXG Legion Carry blends metal, frame stability, competition, grade controls, and large-capacity magazines into a carry-sized package aimed at shooters who want Legion-level performance without stepping up to the full-size X5. 3. H&K VP9 SK Gen 2 Optics Ready. The Heckler & Koch VP9 SK Gen 2 Optics Ready is the subcompact, carry-focused variant of the VP family, packing full-size ergonomics into a concealable 9mm package with an optics-ready slide. It uses H&K's well-regarded polymer frame with interchangeable backstraps and side plates, plus ambidextrous controls for true left divided by right-hand comfort. Key specs. A 3.39-inch is approximately equal to 86mm. Barrel, overall length about 6.61 inches, and a sight radius near 5.73 inches. Unloaded weight with an empty magazine is roughly 23.07 ounces, a balance of carryability and recoil mitigation. Magazine options commonly include the 12th of October 2015 or 13/15, capacities depending on market and included mags. Many OR kits ship with a 12-round and a 15-round magazine. Features: an optics, ready slide footprint, compatible with common mini red dots, high visibility front sight, crisp VP trigger feel, reversible magazine release, and a mainspring divided by striker system tuned for a short, positive break. Controls and ergos are tuned for fast, intuitive manipulation in defensive or everyday carry roles. Price. Street pricing fluctuates, expect roughly $600, $800 for new OR variants depending on dealer, optic bundles, and regional availability. Overall, the VP9 SK Gen 2 OR is a premium subcompact for shooters who want full-featured ergonomics and optics capability in a smaller footprint. 2. Smith Wesson M&P 2 Metal Compact. The Smith Wesson M&P 2 Metal Compact shrinks the all-metal M&P platform into a carry-friendly package while keeping the robust features that made the series popular. A forged stainless slide, 7075T 6 aluminum AXG style, frame divided by chassis, flat-face trigger, and an optics-ready CORE slide footprint. The metal compact is offered in 2 primary barrel lengths, 3.16 approx plus, and 4.25 depending on the exact SKU, letting buyers choose a shorter, more concealable carry gun or a slightly longer sight radius model for range and duty use. Unloaded weight runs roughly 26-30 ounces, varies by config and barrel length, giving the gun a planted feel that helps tame recoil compared with polymer-only variants. Standard magazine capacity is 17+1 with 10-round compliant options available where restricted. Factory features include interchangeable palm swell backstraps, aggressive slide serrations, and Armornite divided by Melanite style finish for corrosion resistance, and optional thumb safety models for markets that require manual safeties. MSRP and retail pricing vary by configuration. Typical MSRP sits around $899 for many metal compact SKUs, with street prices fluctuating between $659, $1,099 depending on finish, safety, and performance center or limited editions. In short, the M&P 2 metal compact is a tougher, more stable compact 9mm for shooters who want metal, frame balance, optics readiness, and full capacity magazines in a carryable footprint. 1. Colt 1911 Government Railgun, 2025. The Colt 1911 Government Railgun is Colt's modern take on the classic M1911 platform, fitted with an accessory rail for lights divided by lasers, and finished in a range of coatings, stainless, Cerakote, divided by black, to suit duty or range use. It's chambered in 45 ACP, with a 5-inch hammer-forged barrel and an overall length of roughly 8.5–8.9 inches, retaining the 1911's single-action ergonomics and manual divided by grip safety controls. Typical unloaded weight is in the mid-30-ounce range. Manufacturer lists about 36.5 ounces for stainless models, giving the railgun a planted feel that soaks up recoil for better follow-ups. Standard magazine capacity is 8 rounds, single-stack 1911 pattern, though 9mm. 22 LR variants and aftermarket magazine options exist for different calibers and markets. Colt's railgun has historically carried an MSRP in the $1,000, $1,200 band on factory, divided by retailer listings, while street and used prices commonly run lower, depending on finish and condition. In short, the railgun blends classic 1911 controls and trigger feel with modern accessory capability, a straightforward choice for shooters who want a duty-capable 1911 with light divided by optic mounting flexibility. And that's a wrap 10 hidden pistol gems from SHOT Show 2025 you might have walked right past. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your pick in the comments and tell us why. I read every one. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the full hands-on reviews coming next. Want detailed specs, range footage, or a head-to-head between two of these? Tell me which pair, and I'll break it down next. Plus, I'll pin timestamps and buying links in the description. Prices and availability vary by retailer. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you at the range.